Hi guys, it's the Chun Kids, and today we're going to be doing a DIY waterfall. Amazing!
First, we need a tape measure. We have a marker, Sharpie, and we have our water fountain, the bamboo, which we'll show you in a little bit. We have a solar panel that comes with the pump, and we have a cutting tool for the metal mesh. It's thin enough where you can use these metal wire cutters, but if you'd like to go faster, you can use a cutoff tool or a grinder. Then we have our rocks of your choice. We're using river rock. 5-gallon bucket from Home Depot. And this extra PVC pipe I had laying around, might use it for extra support for the weight of the rocks, but we might not need that. And then we have the wire mesh that everything's sitting on back there. And then the last thing, it's the pot of your choice. So we got this planter at Big Lots, and it was $32. So now that we have all of our supplies, let's get started. The first thing we'll need to do, let's go ahead and show them this. What that looks like. And we have our solar powered pump. This tubing, the bamboo waterfall actually comes with a water pump already, but it's a 12 volt and you have to plug it in. But with this, you won't ever have to have any electrical source other than the sun. So as soon as you put it outside in the sun, it's going to run automatically. First thing we'll do is I'm going to cut the length here. I'm going to measure. All right. So the inner diameter is 14 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut that out as a square first. I want to thank our neighbors, Roy and Susan, for showing me this project. They have a beautiful backyard, well, pretty much their own nursery, and they've always been so generous and kind to the Chung kids. For the materials, I mentioned earlier, I added the affiliate links in the description. It doesn't cost anything extra, but if you do purchase materials through the links, it really helps out the channel. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe icon and the bell notification. We have a lot more DIY projects that are coming up.
So we just got finished with the mesh, and I'm going to put the bucket inside the planter.
Perfect. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and test the bamboo. Let's put that on there and see how it sits. We're going to fill that up with water, and as soon as we attach the solar pump in, it's going to send the water through the hose, up the bamboo pipe, and back out this way. The next step is we'd like to go ahead and put the mesh in, but you have to make a slot for this pipe to go through. So what I'll do is for that, we'll definitely use the wire clippers. You don't need anything more than that. Hi, Olive. Good morning. We're going to take out solar panel. We are going to hook this up to the hose, son.
Okay.
So we're going to hook the end of that tube into here, and we're going to pour water in there. Until you stop. Sounds like you're shooting. So we have these rocks. We're using river rocks that we already had in the backyard. We did wash them or rinse them off because these solar pumps sometimes can be a little finicky. So if they get clogged, they slow down or stop working. So now Sloan and Olive are going to go ahead and just arrange them on top of the mesh.
I blacked your rocks.
Okay. All right. So now I'm just going to move things around just a little bit. Now here comes. Are all the rocks gone from the bag?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys?
Yep.
Are you ready for the best part?
Yeah.
What I want you to do is see that solar panel in the box?
Yeah.
I want you to take it out and put it in the sunlight. And let's see if the magic happens.
What? Whoa!
So cool. You guys like it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go ahead. We'll move it into a different location, and then we'll go show Mom. Okay?
Okay.
You guys did an excellent job. I'm really proud of you guys.
Oh, it's stuck.
You guys like it?
Yep. I love it. Oh, my face.
Is it relaxing?
I need water on my face. Oh. No more water for you.
Oh!
I mean, take water.
Sun power.
Ooh! When I just put my finger close to it, it just stopped.
All right. Let's go ahead and.
Wow, you guys look so good.
You like it?
Yeah.
How relaxing is that?
Good.
Wait, look at that. They look so relaxed.
You guys are so calm. You guys went from wild to zen. That means that all parents should get this so that they can have their kids calm down.
Thank you for watching the 10 Kids.
And
Now that you watched this video, go out and make your own solar waterfall.